Lo loko la I. Lo loko yo I. Ah, lo loko I. ¿Qué se acaba el tema? Lo loko yo I. Ele é o Lauli. You can park on the side. Ah. Qual que cola vem cá, com? Qual que cola?
Isso.
Or so hulle koe inga park right in the middle. There's a heaps of room. Yeah. Yeah, you can park over here so the others can come. The next one is much steeper. The one over there. But the one over there it's much higher. So o mai solo? Só fazer o cala? Ja. 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 Ole a vole history dai o lau papa, ole ngol ka lo. Ma funne. Ma funne. Ja. Ah, sorry. O ka malonga sa ma fu mai ni vai. A pia ka ele ka la lo ofu. Ka la ofu. Ka mule ai ofu. Ka la ofu. Nga o shorts. Ai o so mai le kule. O so mai le kule. Yeah. You're not allowed to jump. Oi. O so mai le kule ta fia ka ele. O so mai. Oi, ninko makiki pa lang ai. Now the boys. Ja. Le la o lo ka ta. Ah, o malo. Ka ele uma. Ka ki min ko makiki pa lang ngai mo dan. Vai have SA t-shirts because it's too heavy and this water in my muffa.
You don't float anymore.
Ah, seo. So mai. Pe a ti so ke pa langina so yai. No, they can go further down, but it's deeper. I think I need someone to jump with them. Yeah. You can wear your Speedo, sir.
No one wants to see that, sir.
Yeah, la go. And my muffa will be careful on the bike.
Cut off!
And my muffa. Ia lea la, vai o le iei, ai lalo keo pepe peo. Ia, alu aku makamaki, Yeah, fresh water. Everywhere around here, there's spring water from every corner. See, they can see it over there at the top. And from those sides there, all around. I think mostly the rainwater part of spring comes from the rock underneath. You can see all around the sun comes out of the rock. Paulo, Sawaso. E o kua mo sa ole o tau.
Yeah.
Ia, we're light close lang e loloko le mea.